Good morning, students. Myself Ari Pasman from MGSS Darbhanga. My dear students, today I am going to uh, teach the Earth surface, chapter 1. My dear students, you know that Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is the only planet known to have an atmosphere that contains oxygen. Earlier, it was believed that the earth was flat. In the year 1519, Ferdinand Magellan, a sailor from Portugal, set out in a westward direction. After sailing for 3 years, some members of the ship's crew reached the same port from where they had begun their voyage. This established that the earth was round and not flat. Continents and oceans. You have already studied that big land masses on the earth's surface are called continents, and the large continuous masses of salt water are called oceans. Seas, gulfs, and bays are the smaller part of these oceans. Continents. There are 7 continents in the world. These are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Asia is the largest continent and occupies 1/3 of the world's total land areas. The continent is surrounded by oceans on 3 sides. To the north, like the Arctic Ocean, to the east lies the Pacific Ocean, and to the south in the Indian Ocean. India and China, the two most populous countries in the world, are located in this continent. Second, Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. To its north lies the Mediterranean Sea, to the east lies the Indian Ocean, and the west the Atlantic Ocean. Africa has diversity in landforms. It is home to the Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert in the world, the Nile River, the longest river in the world, and Mount Kilimanjaro, which is the highest mountain in Africa. North America. North America is the third largest continent in the world. It is bordered by the Arctic Ocean in the north, the Atlantic Ocean in the east, and the Pacific Ocean in the west. It has high mountains such as the Rockies and large lakes such as the Great Lakes, which is a group of 5 freshwater lakes. This continent is home to many developed countries of the world, such as the United States of America and Canada. South America. South America is the fourth largest continent in the world. Both the Americas are joined by the Isthmus of Panama, a range of mountains called the Andes lies in the western part of South America. The famous Amazon rainforests are located here. Antarctica is the coldest and the fifth largest continent in the world. It is also called the White Continent, as it is always covered by a thick carpet of ice and snow. Due to its extremely cold climate, it is the world's only continent which has no permanent human habitation. Next, Europe. Europe is the sixth largest continent in the terms of size. Europe and Asia are together called Eurasia and form the longest stretch of land on earth. Europe is bordered by the Mediterranean Sea in the south, Asia to the east, and the Atlantic Ocean in the west. Developed countries such as the United Kingdom and France are part of Europe. And last, Australia. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. It is the only continent which is also a country. Uh, it is an island and is surrounded by water on all sides. Australia is famous for its great Australian desert and the Great Barrier Reef. That all.